Hello student, good morning. Now today you see the question of exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3, question number 3. Find the roots of the following equation. Roots of the following equation. First, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, where x not equal to 0. Student, in such type of question, you have to take the LCM. There is no denominator, so you put it as 1 as denominator, and you take the LCM of 1 and x. X divided by 1. X divided by 1 will give x. Then you will multiply the numerator x. This is numerator. This numerator. Okay. So you divide x by 1, then you will get x. X into x, x square. X divided by x will give you 1. 1 into 1, 1. Now what is the meaning of this? You know, this means x not equal to 0. If x will be 0 in this, then what will you get? Nothing will exist. So this is x not equal to 0 means at any rate their value of x will not equal to 0. Because if value of x will 0, then this system will not exist. X square minus 1 equal to, by cross multiply, x into 3, 3x. Then x square minus 1 minus 3x equal to 0. Then x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now you have reduced in quadratic equation. Now you factorize it and find the roots. Coefficient of x square is 1 and coefficient constant is 1. 1 into minus 1 will give you minus 1. The no factor is there of minus 1. No factor is there of minus 1. To getting together you can find the minus 3, because its factor is only 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into 1. Okay, except this no factor is there, and with these two factors you can't find minus 3. So what will you do? First you find discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then b, what is b? B is minus 3. The coefficient of x is b. Minus 4 into coefficient of x square is 1, and constant c is minus 1. Okay. So minus 3 square 9, a minus into minus plus 4 into 1 4. That is 13. So your discriminant will be there. D is equal to what? Root 3. Okay. Now this root 3 is what? Greater than 0. Greater than 0. So roots will be real, and you can find its root. Okay. If you will find the value of 13, then you will get 3 3 is 9. 3 point something. 3 point something. The value is greater than 0. So you find its roots by using quadratic formula. You use quadratic formula. What? X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now x is equal to minus b. Minus b is in minus 3. Minus b is here. So minus is in formula, and b, value of b is there with minus sign, minus 3. And this is b square minus 4ac, you have find out root 3 and root 13 upon 2 into a 1. then x equal to -3 and -3 plus 3 plus minus root 13 upon 2. Once you write in plus and once you write in minus, this is answer. Okay, this is now see next part. You see next part, 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30, where x not equal to 4 and 7, x not equal to 4 and 7, minus 4. Okay, where x not equal to minus 4. If you will put here minus 4, then minus 4 up plus 4 will give you 0, and if you will put here 7, 7 minus 7, 0. So nothing will exist. So at any rate the value of x would not be minus 4 and 7. You keep in your mind. Now take the LCM of x plus 4 and x minus 7. Then you divide this by x plus 4, then x plus 4 will cancel, remainder quotient will x minus 7. X minus 7 into 1 minus, you divide this by x minus 7, x minus 7 cancel, then you multiply x plus 4 by 1 equal to 11 by 30. Okay, now you multiply x into x square, x into minus 7 plus 4 into x plus 4 into minus 7 minus 28. Now x minus 7 minus x minus, if bracket will open then the sign will change, minus 4 minus x plus x cancel. Now minus 7 minus 4 minus 11 and x square minus 7x plus 4x, minus 7x plus 4x will give minus 3x, 11 upon 30. Now 11 will cancel, 11 1 ja 11 one time, there will be minus 1. So minus 1 upon x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to, here will be 1 upon 30. So by cross multiply, you do cross multiply, x square minus 3x minus 28 into 1, x square minus 3x minus 28 into 1 will sum 30 into minus 1 minus 30. Now bring 30 here, x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0, x square minus 3x, 30 minus 28 plus 2. Now this is quadratic equation, you have changed in quadratic equation. Now find, that is d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is a discriminant. Then b is minus 3 का whole square, minus 4 into 1, coefficient of x square 1 and c is 2. Then 9 minus 4 into 2, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. The discriminant d is equal to 1. What is 1? And the square root of 1 is 1, that is greater than 0. So roots will be real, roots are real according to that. So you can find out root by factorization method also, because 2 and 1 will give you 2 and its factor is 2 into 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and minus 2 into minus 1 will also give you 3, and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 also. So you write here x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. What is common in this? X minus 2, what is common in this? Minus 1, x plus divided by minus, minus 2 divided by 1 is equal to 0. X minus 2 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. X minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. Your answer 2 and 1. Okay, this is roots of the given equation. Okay, student. Now you see question number 4. Question number 4. The sum of the reciprocal of Raman's edges in years. 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Is 1/3. Find the present age. You read the question. The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Solution. Let Rahman's age is x years, and 3 years ago Rahman's age. 3 years ago means 3 साल पहले. तो प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ रहमान इज x ईयर. तो 3 साल पहले कितना होगा? x माइनस 3 years. And its reciprocal means 1/x minus 3. Now present age of Rahman is x year. Then Rahman says after 5 years. Rahman says 5 years from now means after 5 years. Present is x year, then after 5 years age will be x plus 5. स्टूडेंट प्रेजेंट एज आपका x है, तो 3 साल पहले आप कितने साल के थे? x माइनस 3 ईयर्स होंगे. प्रेजेंट एज आपका x ईयर है, तो 5 साल बाद कितने होंगे? x प्लस 5. इट्स रेसिप्रोकल 1/x plus 5. Okay. Now you read the question. Sum of the reciprocal of the Rahman's age. Sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age. Both are Rahman's age. एक है 3 साल पहले का और एक है 5 साल बाद का. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रॉब्लम 1/x minus 3 plus 1/x plus 5 इक्वल टू कितना है? 1/3. Now see the LCM x minus 3 and x plus 5. Then you divide this LCM by this. X minus 3 cancel, x plus 5 into 1 plus x plus 5 cancel, x minus 3 into 1. Now x and x will give 2x plus 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 2 upon you multiply x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 1/3. 2x minus 2 multiply by 3 and this is multiplied by 1. 3 into 2x minus 2 you multiply, you do cross multiply. Now 1 multiply to this then x square, and 5x minus 3x will give you 2x. This will 2x, 5x minus 3x, 2x minus 15. Now you multiply 3 to the cx, 6x, and minus 2 into 3 minus 6 is equal to, you keep both side in one side, you bring these terms in one side, x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0, because one side will 0, x square now minus 6x plus 2x minus 4x minus 15 plus 6 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now student, you see, what will you do? How will you find out the age of Brahmans, present age of Brahmans? Because x square minus 4x minus 9, it is very difficult to find out the factor of this. Okay, once again I will see, check, once again I will check, x minus 3 and x plus 5, okay, x square x into 5, 5x minus 3x and minus 15, that is x minus 3 cancelled, then x plus 5 into 1, x plus 5 cancelled, then x minus 3 into 1, x minus 3, 2x plus 2, that is 2. Student, there is a mistake, you correct it. Now 2x plus 2, because plus 5 and minus 3 plus 2, so you have done mistake, I have done mistake, so you correct it also, and I am going to correct it also. That is not minus, this is plus, you multiply it here, okay, then that will plus, okay. Now if it is plus, then minus 6, and that is a minus 6 also, okay, then that will minus 6, then this quadratic equation will not come. The quadratic equation will x square minus 6x plus 2 minus 4x and minus 15 and minus 6 minus 21 is equal to 0, okay. This quadratic equation will be there. Now you see the solution. Coefficient of x square 1, constant is minus 1, then what, 1 into minus 21 minus 21, you factorize this, minus 7 into 3, minus 7 into 3 minus 21, and you have to bring here minus 4, so minus 7 plus 3 will give you minus 4. You write here x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. Take the common in this group, x minus 7 and plus 3, 3 7 ja 21, means both brackets same factor is there, x minus 7 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 7 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 7, and here x plus 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 3. The age of anybody will not minus 3, so this is not applicable, okay, this is not applicable. Your answer is this, the Rahman's age is, present age of Rahman x, and x is 7. So you write your answer, present age of Rahman equal to 7 years. Okay student, I hope you have understood this question, and you study well sincerely and see the video and reply me. Thank you very much.